Vintage style Pilot's watch is light and exquisite. It is perfect for everyday commuting and casual wear. Its color and design are very versatile.
Okay, the one I'm wearing has a 38mm diameter and a 40.5mm thickness. It's a very petite and suitable for women. A 40mm dial version is also available. It's suitable for the men's everyday use. Whole watch face is made of vintage glasses, which is hard yet luster. I love most is the movement design on the back. Okay, let me see. The finish is exquisite and sophisticated. This watch features a swing neck design. You can see that. This is the swing neck design, which allows the hands to keep more accurate time.
Compared to quartz watches, this mechanical watch is powered by main spring, so it's battery free and ensuring more timekeeping and a lifespan.
The band is made of sapphire crystal, which is stretch resistant and transparent. The case is made of stainless steel, making it hard and shock resistant. So this watch has the soul of a classic Pilot's watch from 1963. It's aesthetically pleasing and the movement is quite impressive. Whether you are into everyday wear or have a dream of flying, it will suit your style.